VM खलीलुर रहमान चैनल में आपका खैर मकदम है।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। हमारा देश हिंदुस्तान 140 करोड़ लोगों का मुल्क, महान मुल्क, ये सिर्फ मोदी जी और राहुल जी या किसी और जी का नहीं है, बल्कि यहाँ रहने वाले तमाम लोगों का 140 करोड़ लोगों का मुल्क है। इसमें किसी की मुदाखलत किसी भी तरह से ठीक नहीं समझी जाएगी, ठीक नहीं समझना चाहिए। अब एक खबर मिली है जिसे पढ़कर हम जैसे लोगों को बहुत खुशी हुई है। हम हिंदुस्तानियों ने हमारे वज़ीर आज़म मोदी जी के ज़रिए ट्रंप साहब को ये कह दिया है कि हमें हमारे मामले के हल के लिए किसी और मुल्क की ज़रूरत नहीं है। ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। मैसेज क्या है, पैगाम क्या है, ये द न्यू इंडियन एक्सप्रेस में शाया हुआ है। इसे मैं पढ़ता हूँ, सुनिएगा। इंडिया विल नेवर एक्सेप्ट third party mediation on Kashmir, Modi tells Trump. New Delhi, sending a clear and firm message to Washington, Prime Minister Narendra Modi told US President Donald Trump that India has never accepted and will never accept third party mediation on the Kashmir issue. Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri said the issue came up during the leaders' 35-minute phone call late Tuesday. The Prime Minister clearly told President Trump that India's position on third-party mediation has always been consistent. It is not needed, not desired, and will not be accepted, Misri said. The call marked the first direct conversation between the two leaders since the November 22 terrorist attack in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir, and came as Prime Minister Modi updated Trump on Operation Sindoor, India's targeted military response against terrorist camps in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. India's response was measured, precise, and limited to terrorist infrastructure in Pak and Pak-occupied Kashmir, Misri added, underscoring New Delhi's message of strategic restraint paired with operational clarity. The conversation also aimed to set the record straight on recent claims by President Trump, who had suggested he played a role in brokering a ceasefire between India and Pakistan. That narrative was firmly rejected by India. Prime Minister Modi told President Trump that the decision to pass military action under Operation Sindoor was taken after a direct request from Pakistan communicated through established military channels. There was no US involvement, Misri stated. There were no back-channel talks or mediation on any ceasefire or the broader Kashmir issue. He added, India has never accepted mediation, does not accept it, and will never accept it. Prime Minister Modi also invited President Trump to visit India for the upcoming Quad summit, with both leaders discussing a range of pressing global issues, including the Iran-Israel conflict, the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war, and growing strategic cooperation in the Indo-Pacific. The phone call followed Modi's strong remarks at the G7 outreach session in Canada, where he called for global unity against terrorism and condemned the double standards applied to terror threats. He reiterated that India now views acts of terrorism not as isolated or proxy actions, but as act of war deserving a proportionate and decisive response. Thank you for your listening. Thanks for watching. सुनने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।